guys, today I'm working on just this little owl. I thought it would be kind of fun to make one of these. I saw these when I went to the junk ranch. Someone had an owl figurine that they did this to, and I thought it was so freaking cute. So I went to the thrift store looking for my own. I found this one that was white, and I just spray painted it with black chalk paint, spray paint from Rust-Oleum. Now I just have a white paint pen, a white Sharpie paint pen. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm just gonna freehand it and see what happens. So hopefully this won't be, hopefully this will look alright. Okay, so now I'm going to be working on the crystal ball part of this. This is just a plastic ornament from the Dollar Tree. They come two to a pack. And I thought it would look really cute just on the owl's back. So I'm going to be doing some cotton swirl designs in it with some glitter to kind of make it look more like a crystal ball. So I'm just going to take this out, set that aside for the moment. Some water, some little containers. Now besides the water, I've got some paint. I have some watercolor paint and some Dilutions paint. You can use acrylic paint, anything to color your water. I've got some cotton. This is some cotton for doing upholstery, but you can use cotton balls. Any kind of cotton will work. So I'm just going to add so now I've got those mixed up. Just gonna move this guy out of the way here. I also need some glitter. Got some clear glitter, and then I have some iridescent glitter here. So first thing I gotta do is tear this cotton and get some down in the bottom of this. So we'll cut that. I'll put some glitter in. Put a bit of glitter down in there. Make sure you get it in the sides real good. And then, okay, so I'm going to be using these little straws to add in. Stick it in there like this. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how he turned out. I love how the crystal ball turned out. I've never made one of these before, so that was kind of a fun process to try it out. And I love how his little skeleton body turned out, and I just love this project, and I'll be using him for some Halloween decor in my house. And just so much color and sparkle to that crystal ball. And he's just a really fun, easy project, and just had a lot of fun with him. So I appreciate everyone for watching so much. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button and comment below if you feel so inclined. And I really appreciate everybody watching. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I'll see you next time. Bye!